Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's explore the one more new thing here in SAP S4 HANA in a business partner. Today we are going to be understand how to manage the identical number ranges for your supplier master as well as the business partner. So most of the businesses are preferring, they want the similar or identical number ranges for the business partner as well as the supplier master. So for that, whenever we are trying to create the business partner, okay, so that time we have the one concept that is called as the grouping. So because of this grouping, the business partner number ranges will be coming to the picture. Okay, so first of all, to get the identical number ranges, we need to be define this grouping and we need to be assigned the number range for this grouping. So first we can try to customize this grouping into the GUI. So path for that is your SPRO, where we can customize this grouping. So after the SPRO reference IMG, then we can go for the cross application components. After the cross application components, we can have the option called as a SAP business partner. After the SAP business partner, again we have the sub node, that is your business partner here. Then we can go for the basic settings. So last time also we have discussed about your business partner roles and we have the grouping together all the business partner roles. So today we can focus on our to create the groupings as well as to assign the number ranges for that grouping here. So first of all, we can define the grouping. So here we have the option called as new entries. Then we can enter the YSAG, that is your local supplier BP grouping that we can enter, and here the number range we can keep it as a blank as of now. So because we want to define the new number range here for this YSAG, our group. Come back. Then in the same node, we have the option called as a define number ranges here. Click on that, where we can define the new number range here. So as per the requirement, we are able to create a new number range here. So click on the add option here. So we can create the new number range, that is your KO, which will be starting with our 800 98800 to we can keep that number range as a 98899. So this number range we have defined for our grouping for the business part. So we need to be assigned that number range number to the grouping. So come back again, search for our YSAG recently customized grouping, and here we can assign the that number range here. Okay, KO. Okay, this is the one grouping we have done for the business partner, and we have assigned the number ranges for that. Okay, so after that, again one more configuration we need to do, that is about your supplier master. Okay, so here we need to be customize the supplier account group. So the T code to customize the supplier account group is a OMSG. So everyone please enter the T code, and here we'll get the option for the supplier account group. So we can customize by copying from the standard KID, which is given by the SAP. So by copying from that, we can customize the new account group here. Okay, by copying from the KID, we can try to customize here. Copy as option. We can put as the same YSAG, whatever as per your requirement. We can customize it. Okay, domestic supplier account group we have to customize here. Okay, so here if you can see, the number range number will be assigned as a 13. Okay, but as we have on to requirement is that we have to assign the same number range for the supplier master as well as your business partner. Okay, so we want to define a similar number range for the supplier account group as well. So how to define and how to assign the new number range? So we can have the T code OMSJ. Okay, by entering the OMSJ, we can define the new number range for your supplier account group. So same KO, we can try to customize the number range here 988002 to 98899. So this number range we have defining for the supplier account. Okay, it's a similar for your BP grouping as well as the supplier account group. So here it's very important. We need to be marked as an external number range for the supplier account group. Then and only then we are able to manage the same number range and we are able to map the number ranges for the supplier master and a business partner with identical. Right now, supplier account group we have defined as well as the number range also we have assigned with the KO as well as for your BP grouping also same number range number we have assigned there. Right now, it's a time to map the BP grouping with the supplier account group. So we need to be follow the path for that SPRO, SAP reference IMG, cross application component, one more time, and then we have the option called as a master data synchronization. After the master data synchronization, we can go for the customer vendor integration option here. So we can click on that. So there we can get the option for the business partner setting. Under that, again, we have the option for the settings for your vendor integration. So here we are going to map business partner number along with the supplier master. So click on the settings for your vendor integration, then go for the field assignment for the vendor integration. Then we have the node called as assign keys. Under the assign keys, we have the option for your define number assignment for the direction BP to the vendor. So here in that node, we can assign our BP group along with the supplier account group. So we can search here the BP grouping as well as the supplier account group. Press enter. You can assign here both BP grouping as well as your supplier account group. And here we have the one checkbox that is the same numbers. So until and unless you are not going to be check this box, so we are not getting the same number ranges for your supplier master and business partner. So check this box. Okay. We can check here. Okay. We have not assigned the same number range. Okay. For our supplier account group, what we have done? We have just defined the number range, but we have not assigned. Okay. That's why we are getting the message here. Can you see what is the message? The number ranges for grouping YSAG and account group YSAG are different. Okay. So how to assign number range? Same. So we can go with the OMSJT code. Okay. So just for your understanding, I have shown you here. Okay. So number range which we have defined, we need to be assigned that number range for our supplier account group. Correct. YSAG, this is our customized account group. So we can assign the same number range. Then and only then system will allow you to set that checkbox here. Okay, come back. Okay, check this box right now. So right now we are not getting the message or error. Save this configuration or mapping of your supplier account group with the BP group. Then try to create a BP as per the configuration right now. So come to the Fiori and we'll try to create the business partner with the customized grouping here. So this is the Fiori tile to maintain the business partner. Click on it. Okay. Then go for the organization data. Then search here our customized YSAG local supplier group. Okay. And here we have already defined one customized grouping, that is the YBPG0. So where we are getting the all the views for your company code, purchasing data, as well as your general data of your supplier. So we can create one supplier here along with the same business partner number, Surya Private Limited. We can enter the required things here. Then we can select the country code here. For India, it's IN. Then we can select for the region. As per the requirement, we can select the region. Then postal code. We need to be enter the postal code here for the address purpose. Then we can press on enter. Click on the continue. Okay. Then we can go for the company code data. So we can enter the company code here, whatever the company code we are using. Okay. Select the company code. Click on the enter. Again, we have to be select the reconciliation account, which is very important part here. Then we can go for the purchasing data here. So here in a single time, we are able to create the PP along with the supplier master for your all the views, general data, company code data, as well as the purchasing data. We can enter the purchasing organization GIP1, which we are defined. Click on the enter. Then we can enter the order currency as a INR. Okay, INR will be entered. Done. So this is the important fields which is we have entered to define our BP along with the same supplier master number. So then we have to save the data. Click on the save. As we are click on the save, so we are getting the business partner number as per our customized number range here. Can you see here 98800? This is our business partner number. Right now, if you want to get the supplier number, so go for the general data, click on the general data option, then search here for your vendor general data. Click on that. So here we are getting the vendor number. If you can notice here, as per our customization, business partner number is also the 98800, as well as our supplier or a vendor number also the same 98800. We have achieved our requirement here for the same business partner number as well as the vendor number or a supplier number will be the same. So this is the thing which is most of the businesses are going to be refer this part. So if you want to learn the more things into the SAP S/4HANA sourcing and procurement, please like, share, and subscribe our YouTube channel, and please visit our website. The link mentioned in the description. Thank you.